Alright, so I'm now going to be removing the basket from my washer because I had dropped a screw in there from the hub. So I'm going to tape the lid shut first, so when I lift it up it doesn't open and smack the controls here. Okay, so I have three bolts I need to take out. One's right here on this tab. Hopefully I don't drop them in the basket. The other one is right here. And this panel comes off. Of course the machine is unplugged, so I don't cause any harm to myself. And that one. Alright. And then from there, I am going to slide this forward. There we go. And then it'll lift up from there. Let me see what. Alright, from there I'm going to take the top part off. I'm going to grab behind it, pull it towards me. I'm going to lift up from there and move it back and forth till I get it off these two tabs here. And then I can tilt it up till it hits these two tabs back here. These tabs are the bolts that were actually where they were bolted in on the back side of it, but I have it leaning up against the shelf up here. That's just above where you guys can't see, so there's a shelf right up there. That way it doesn't fall back. So the next step to get the basket out is I'm gonna have to remove this top panel here, and when I have that off I might as well clean it because it's super dirty. But to do that, there's these tabs right there. There's one on each side there of each one of these corners. So I will be pulling on those to remove those. Okay, so I finally got the last side to release. How dirty that is. I'm gonna take that outside and wash it. And so that frees the basket within whatever this is. I don't know. So a little scared with the way I keep breaking things. Alright, let's see. I finally got the basket loose and I had to use this tool and do some dental work on it where these gears are. I had to get in there and clear out all the crud on each gear, and once I got those cleared out I was able to lift the basket up. So if your machine's as dirty as this one, I've never put any cleaner through it or anything, and this may be the result, or it's 5 years old and it's just time. But so I went through and cleaned out each gear with this, and so now I'll be able to lift it out. Alright, so once I cleaned out those gears, hopefully it works this time now that it's on film without breaking anything. Let's see. Oh, wrong way. There we go. Alright. There we go. And let's see if the screw's in there. Ooh, that's dirty too. And the screw's in there. Sweet. I went through all that to get this screw out. Oh. Beep beep, this is sharp. Alright. Woo, looks like that needs a cleaning too. Like I said, I've never put any cleaning through this. And ta-da! There it is. All that work to get this that I dropped in, that I could have avoided all of that. But I guess it's good that it happened, because these gears here were all clogged up with dirt down here. So that gave me time to clean them out. I'll probably clean out these ones just below it too. Just to clean it up some more. Alright, and there's that, how to get the basket out. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. You guys have a good day.